Hello, it's Wednesday and we're heading to Branson. It's 11 o'clock. We weren't in a rush this morning. Today's just a travel day. We're going to Branson for 2 days. If you watched my vlog, I mentioned it, but in case you didn't, I'll repeat myself. We're going to Branson for 2 days. Today we're just going to a couple arcades and then just relaxing at our hotel. Tomorrow we're going to Silver Dollar City. If you're not familiar with Silver Dollar City, it's like an amusement park like Six Flags. Their Christmas celebration started last weekend, so we went to see their Christmas stuff before it gets too crazy. So we thought if we went on a Thursday, it would be less crowded. So we're going to Silver Dollar City tomorrow, and then we'll stay in Branson tomorrow night too, and then Friday morning we'll get up and we'll head home. So only a 2-day trip. So I'm quite excited. We did go to Silver Dollar City last year at Christmas. I do have videos from last year, but I'll do more videos again because why not? I love to record, and maybe it'll be different this year. I really do like Silver Dollar City, and the weather's pretty good. It's gonna be like 60, right?
Yeah.
So cold, but not too cold, and I need it to be a little cold to feel like Christmas. I don't know how California people ever feel like Christmas when it's like 90 degrees, but I need some cold. Alright, first stop of the road trip was McDonald's. I know, I eat McDonald's a lot. I always say I don't eat it a lot, but when I think about it, I really do. But it's not a road trip unless we eat McDonald's. It's quick. I like it. I'm a Big Mac girl. What did you get? A quarter pounder?
I always get a quarter pounder with cheese. And
Quarter pounder with cheese.
I don't know why I think of it as vacation food, but
It is vacation food.
when I was a kid, we never got McDonald's ever for any reason, unless you were on a vacation, and then you got it once.
Oh, really?
Outside of that, you got it once a year.
I don't remember getting McDonald's that much. Like when I would visit, my dad lived in St. Louis, I lived in Illinois, so when we would visit him during the summer, we might get McDonald's, but until I went off to college. When I went off to college, I went crazy on McDonald's. I ate it way too much, gained 20 pounds from McDonald's. Oh man, but it was so good. But I lived in a small town. We didn't really have fast food. We had a KFC, and then when a Hardee's opened up, it was like a big deal, and that was it. And a Pizza Hut. KFC, Pizza Hut, and a Hardee's. And we didn't eat it. We didn't eat that much. So yeah, McDonald's is a treat, even though I eat it way too much. But it was good. And we stopped, and now we got 2 more hours, I think. I don't know.
At least 2 hours.
At least 2 hours. Well, I have to be close. They had like tons of Branson pamphlets in the lobby. Pamphlets? How do I say it? Pamphlets? Pamphlet. Now you're making me say it wrong.
What's that word? What's that word?
What's that word? What's that
What'd
word? What do I mean? We stopped at our stop. I'm just seeing if there's any pamphlets I want. Missouri biking trails. That's interesting. This is a cute little visitor center, isn't it? Alright, I was gonna zoom in. You can't see it. The car in front of me, those are license plate tags that expired 9/12/18. In case you're wondering, today's November 7th. And you need to watch Live PD this weekend because she's heading towards Springfield and they have Live PD there. So it's like, will she get pulled over by Live PD? And how do you, it's 2 months. Your tag, why have you not got license plate in 2 months?
2 months.
2 months. And she's driving like a tailgater.
We're able to see her die and us.
So yeah, now
Because
you
that old
see it
man's
now.
going, like,
9/12. Yeah,
5
he's
miles an
going.
hour.
Oh my God, yeah, he's going way too slow. And
It's dangerous.
15, it is very dangerous. I don't know. I'm just amused because we love Live PD, and that's like the main reason people get pulled over
Yes, it is.
because of expired tags, or apparently in this case, a new vehicle that you've never got licensed. All right, we just got here at a resort. But I wanted to show you the squirrel. It's running around. And now it's not up. You can't see it. What? Where did you go? You were here 2 minutes ago. Here he is. I know. I like squirrels. What can I say? Alright, so we are at Stillwater Resort. We just checked in. This is our room. It's a condo. Robert, there was a squirrel running around. I had to get it untamed.
Did he get in the room?
No, he's not. Oh, oh my god, that would have been crazy. This is super, super nice. This is super nice. Now remember last month we were here at a different hotel and this was like not even like half the cost.
Half? It's a fourth.
A fourth of the cost. And this room, this condo is amazing. So yeah.
They have some great deals going right now. I think you can get the rooms for like $80 to $100.
Yeah, we paid like $100 after taxes. We paid $100 for this room for 2 nights. Well, $100 a night. Isn't that amazing? Keep in mind that piece of crap at Bass Pro Shop place, whatever, we paid like $350 a night.
And then you got the nice lake right there.
And that is Table Rock Lake. I'm just amazed how nice this room is. But it's a little warm. Turn the air on.
I did.
Thank you, honey. Look at the nice plant.
The fireplace works.
So we have a little kitchen. So the only thing here is like no housekeeping. They have a room where you can exchange towels if you need more towels. But that's fine. We're only here for 2 days. I think that's a pull-away bed.
Has a fireplace.
Has a fireplace. Let me check out the bathroom. We just got here. Let's see. So just a sink. Is it a nice tub? It's a small bathroom. Oh my god. That is an extremely small tub. And they just cleaned it. You can tell because it's wet. We're a little early. The room just got done. Alright, no baths for me. That's like a bathtub for small people. But that's okay. This bedroom is amazing. And then they're working on getting ready, doing something like tomorrow in that area. They said they have Winter Wonderland. I have no idea what it is. It starts tomorrow. We got to do it with our hotel. Shut up, wait. And then, hold on. They gave this to us as a free gift when we checked in. Isn't that neat? A Christmas ornament. This is Stillwater. Isn't that cool? And then just like, here's a map of the grounds. So this is Table Rock. Here's our room. This is Table Rock Lake. And then this is like 2 minutes from Solar Dollar City, which is where we're going tomorrow. So I'm gonna get us unpacked and then we're gonna go to Branson and go have some fun at arcades. Alright, this is our view from our deck, I guess, or patio, whatever you call it. That's Table Rock Lake. We'll walk later. They have walking paths around this lake. This lake is huge. I forgot how nice this is. We stayed at this resort like years and years ago, and now that we remember how awesome it is, any future trips, this is the place we're staying. It is awesome. And then I mentioned it was only like $100 a night as compared to $350 a night. Which, I mean, the rates do change depending on the season and what deals they have. Robert, wasn't there some kind of flash deal or something? Because it's beginning of November, it's not like holiday season yet. So it could get more expensive. But right now, $100 a night. So anyway, I've got to finish unpacking and then we're gonna go do some walking.
Do what?
Alright, we are getting barbecue. It's getting basted. We've never ate here before, but it looks good. I don't know what I'm gonna get. So many choices. We did get pimento cheese as an appetizer. I'll probably just get pulled pork because that's my go-to when I don't know what to get. And then like these sides are different. Poblano cream corn brulee. I don't know what that is, but that sounds awfully good. I'll have to try that. Alright, this is the pimento cheese appetizer. That looks really good. Oh my god, that looks really good. It's got roasted peppers in there. Oh yeah, that looks so good. Alright, this is pulled pork, french fries, and creamed corn. And then Mark just got, what'd you get?
I got potato salad with beans and ribs and pulled pork.
Pulled pork. I love pulled pork. It looks so good. Look at that view. Straight ahead is the Branson Landing. I can kind of see like some Christmas lights.
Santa Claus.
Why are we stopped at a green light?
Because there's so much traffic. There's the chocolate shop. It's
the fudge shop. Okay, so see right here, the fudge shop. They closed down in December. I wanted to go. They were like a homemade candy store, and now they're gone. We went last December, and apparently they closed down last December. So sad.
It's very sad.
Alright, we parked in front of one of the antique stores, and it's closed. It's only 6 o'clock and it's closed. All the mainstream stores closed way too early for my taste. So this is the train depot. That's pretty Christmas lights. Pretty Christmas lights. The Christmas tree is beautiful. And the crosshair. Like, thankfully there's a crosshair. Oh, it's green, let's go. The Christmas tree is cute and pretty. Now they're gonna do music that's too loud. They have a whole Stranger Things display at Sugar. They have, Haley just got that gummy waffle, that was cool. And they have Stranger Things melted milk balls, cookies. That's pretty cool. Stranger Things.
What's that?
We're driving back to the hotel, and look, there's a bomb pop Christmas tree. Or maybe it's supposed to be American flag, but all I think of is a bomb pop. We're back in at the hotel room, and I was getting ready to go to bed, and then I realized I don't think I did a end of the day summary. So we got to the hotel. We went to a couple arcades, and we went out to dinner, and then we went to another arcade, and then, I'm sorry if I'm blinking a lot, my eyes are really dry. I have contacts that I leave in for 7 days, and so at night they get pretty dry. And then, anyway, 3 arcades, dinner, and then a bunch of walking around, and it's only like 10 o'clock. I'm so freaking tired, but I got up at 6 a.m. for whatever reason. I don't know, I'm not, this whole time change I'm not used to yet. So anyway, oh my god, I'm blinking so much. It was a really fun day. I had a lot of fun. All the arcades were fun. The weather's like a little cool, but not like winter jacket cool, so that was a lot of fun. And then everyone already has their Christmas lights out, so that was pretty cool. And you know, it was just nice to get away, and I'm going to bed. I know it's way early, but it's been a long day. We've done a lot today. So anyway, and yeah, I'm like, this is my sweatshirt I was wearing earlier. Robert has the air conditioner on blast, and I'm not saying anything to him because he gets hot way easy, and I'm gonna let him enjoy this wonderful air conditioning, and I'll just sleep with an extra blanket. No big deal. Anyway, did I mention how much I love this? I think it's technically a condo. I think this hotel room is a condo, but it's awesome. It's so nice, and I love the colors and the wooden floor and everything. And you know, we just came home, and I worked on the computer for a little bit. I actually brought my laptop with me. I brought some work to do, and I did work for like an hour, and I had a couple sales, so I'm very happy. And nothing that had to go out priority, so shouldn't really be an issue of anyone complaining. And I worked on some listings, and then Robert's still watching TV. We just have different sleep schedules. He goes to bed later than I do, and then he wakes up later than I do. It works for us. And so he's a night owl, and I'm a morning bird? What is that called when you get up early? Oh my god, morning person. And he's a night owl. So anyway, morning person. Oh my god, there's probably not an expression for it. I'm just thinking wrong. So anyway, and that's it. I'm rambling. I'm tired. This is how tired I am. I'm not making sense. Anyway, Branson is beautiful. We're having a lot of fun. And tomorrow we're going to Silverado City. So anyway, thanks for watching. Please hit the like and subscribe buttons, and I will see you later.